Hey guys, it's Brian and George here with SME as always, and today we want to talk about one of our great partners, Sense Excel. So as always, I have the expert in the room. George, you want to tell us a little bit about Sense Excel and what they can do for Qlik partners?
Yeah, definitely. So Sense Excel is a solution that works with Qlik Sense, and what it allows you to do is it allows you to bring the Qlik Sense world into Excel. So just like you have your different tabs in Excel at the top, you now have a Sense Excel tab that allows you to pull in your applications from your hub, bring data in, manipulate it just right in Excel. So we're finding this to be great for reporting as well as figuring out other things that people usually do in Excel. Now they're being able to automate the data pulled with Qlik Sense. So I've actually got a demo where I can show you guys a little bit about what Sense Excel can do.
Yeah, let's take a look.
Cool.
All right.
I'm going to demo two different use cases for Sense Excel. The first one is an easy one, building an ad hoc Excel report while leveraging Qlik Sense data. To keep it simple, I have a blank Excel spreadsheet and I need to pull in product category details from my sales management app. Using Sense Excel, I can connect to one or more of my Qlik Sense environments. The hub button pulls up a familiar view. These are all of my Qlik Sense applications. So now that I've selected my sales management app and I'm connected, I have a lot of options. I can load my data or even see the data load editor straight from Excel. When I choose the table option, I can select from my master items to create a table or pivot table. I'm just going to go ahead and select some dimensions and measures to build out my table. That should be enough. And just like that, my table's been created. Going back to the Sense Excel features, I can use either the bookmark or the selections tool to filter down my data right here in Excel. Pretty awesome, right? Now let's take a look at an advanced example. Here, I have a massive report template that I have used to enter my data in manually to get all of the formulas working. As we all know, data entry is time consuming and can lead to dirty data. However, with Sense Excel, I can pull my data straight from my applications that are connected to my source systems to automate the report population. So now that I've selected my finance app, Qlik will go through and automatically start adding the values to my report. But that's not even the best part. You can leverage custom set analysis that references cells in Excel to build out new dynamic formulas. It is pretty clear that Sense Excel brings the best aspects of Qlik Sense into the reporting world of Excel.
All right, so that's a really cool demo, and I think it really emphasizes the point that I've heard over and over, which is, I mean, in a perfect world, maybe you would not need Excel, right? You could eventually move outside of Excel, but we know from so many of our clients that we work with, that's just not going to be a reality either anytime soon or even ever. So something like Sense Excel seems like it really does a great job of marrying the two and making sure that you can still get all the benefits of Qlik Sense, but without necessarily having to abandon Excel altogether, right?
Absolutely. Yeah. So if you guys are interested and want to learn more about Sense Excel, you can reach out to us here on LinkedIn or YouTube, or you can email us at info@smesgroup.com.
All right, perfect. Till next time.